Hello everyone, this is Prabhat Kumar and today I am going to make a 3D model of a wooden chair and its final render will look like this. So let's get started. Let's launch Blender first. And now let me enable the screencast tool so that you can see which buttons I am using during this process. Now we will delete the default cube and hide camera and lights. Now we will import a plane using Shift plus A and going to edit mode we will subdivide it few times. Now keeping the selection we will go to orthographic view and extrude the plane little bit, and now we will deselect everything and go to the bottom view. Now pressing C button on keyboard we will enable the brush selection mode and try to select side planes. It is on edge selection mode, vertex selection mode. Now we will enable the face selection mode and we will select the side faces of this plane using brush selection tool, which we got using the C key, and we will also select the extra corner face of each side, and we will make sure that no extra faces are selected. So we will deselect those. There were too many extra faces. Now we will going to our orthographic view we will extrude the selections, and now we will go to the bottom view and we will deselect everything and we'll select all the 4 faces on each corners. Holding Shift key, and now again going to the orthographic view we will extrude it to a suitable length. Now keeping the selection we will scale it a little bit to make it tilted. Now our base is ready. The base of the chair is ready now. Now we will select all the faces from one side of the plane holding Shift key. We will go to the orthographic view, left view, and extrude it. Now pressing G key we will grab it and tilt it little bit. Now our model looks like a chair, and now we will make a loop cut on it using Ctrl plus R, and pressing C key we will enable the brush selection mode and select the front faces and delete it. Again we will select the faces on the back side and we'll delete it. Now after deleting the faces we get holes in our model, so we will try to fill it by selecting edges and clicking on F key. So for that we will first go to the edge selection mode and we will select the edges and click on F key to fill. We will do same for the other side. Now for the bottom hole we will hold Shift key and select all the edges. And then we will click on F key to fill it, and same for the upper hole. We will select all the edges and click on F key to fill it, and now we can clearly see that our model is ready. Now we will texture it, and for texturing it we will go to the UV editing, and then we will click on A key to select our mesh completely in edit mode, and then we will go to the UV and click on Smart UV project and click on OK, and boom, our entire 3D model is now get converted into 2D texture map. Done. Now the final part is to import a texture UV texture image. So for that we will go to the Google Chrome and Google some wooden texture. And I will go to the unsplash.com since it is free and anyone can use it. So, and download it. Now let's check the file. It is in download. Now we will use this texture image to texture our 3D model. Now we will open Blender and import it, clicking on open to our UV editor, and again we will go to the edit mode and press A key to select entire mesh, and we'll go to the material property and click on new material, and on the base color we will select image texture and we will select the image. Now we will change our viewport to rendered viewport, and done. Now we can see that we have made a chair in Blender with UV image texture.